Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the animation for part diagrams in CATIA V5. So first of all, to start the CATIA V5 software, it will open like this. Here to start the start button, and then to select the mechanical design, finally to select the part design. So give the part name, enter. Here to select the YZ plane and to select the sketcher. Here to select the profile or line. So to select the profile and draw one random diagram like this. Yeah. So now again select the profile tool. In profile tool to select the rectangle. In rectangle to select the centered rectangle. So draw one rectangle and finally to select the constraint, give the random diagrams like this. Okay. So finally to draw angle like this. Okay. So now we will select the constraint. In constraint to select the animate constraint and to select the angle. So it will open like this. Here to give the values. So first value 0 and last value 360 degrees and give the number of steps 400. So here to select the loop and give the forward direction. Here to select the hide constraints. Okay. Now it will run like this. This is the animation for bar diagrams in CATIA V5. If suppose we will increase the value, it will run fastly like this and select repeated option like this, run forward, it will run back side like this. So this is the animation for bar diagrams. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.